Hey guys, Machines and Mal here. We just wanted to show you this Toro Proline 6160 turn mower we picked up. So this one was part of the buy last year. We'll link the video at the end of this video where we bought a couple dozen rider machines, rider mowers and tractors, and there was 3 or 4 zero turns, and this is one of them. We spent part of last weekend cleaning this thing up and working on it, and we finished it today. It's kind of a neat machine, guys. It's hydraulic drive. It's got 2 hydraulic motors down inside. You can see the cooling fans on top there, and it's got an Onan 16 horsepower 2-cylinder horizontally opposed 4-stroke air-cooled engine. And when we got it, it was kind of taken apart. The belts had been removed. It came with a bag of loose parts, and we didn't really have the biggest hopes for this. We thought this thing might end up being too far gone, but we spent a day and a half on her or so. A day? Maybe a day. And she runs like a champ, guys. She cuts great. We just mowed all this with it. This honestly took 3 minutes. These things are super fast on the ground. And yeah, we just flushed out the bad fuel, and we put a couple new fuel filters in it. We put one on the fuel pickup, and we also put a new filter into the carburetor right there. A couple new spark plugs, oil change, and just a few things. You can see the hours. Oh, you can't really see that. It's only got 764 hours on it, so she's not clapped out. The only problem is the deck's got a bit of rot to it, guys. You can see that there. So being a Toro commercial product, this is heavy duty gauge steel, and you can actually weld to this. So if somebody wanted to, they could patch this up as good as new. I think there was a little bit of rot over on this side as well. Yeah, you can see it. You can see it right in there. I think there's a little tiny bit. And then of course this is a little bashed up. This used to have a blower on it, but that didn't work. The bagging kit was missing, so we got rid of that. But for someone that's got a big chunk of property that wants a cheap zero turn to get the job done fast, this will be a perfect machine for that application. We're gonna fire it up and do a quick ride around the circle demo, and then we're gonna post this baby for sale, and hopefully she sells tonight or tomorrow. We're selling these off cheap. We need them out of our shop here. This will be number 7 or 8 of 24. So we're getting down there. I think we got 15 machines left, and we're making it happen. We're getting rid of these things. So hop on there and give us a quick demo. Let's see. Fire that baby up. So we got our parking brake activated right now, and then the steering control arms are out, and here's our starter key. Fires up nice, guys. So you got to turn your parking brake off, and then just like you're driving a Bobcat, it's a skid steer. Kind of reminds me of the tilt-a-whirl, backwards, forwards, and inside out. So anyway, guys, we just thought you'd like to see this machine. We finished her up today, and we're going to post her now for sale, and hopefully she goes to a new home and starts cutting grass tomorrow. For more videos about these machines, there's going to be a lot of them. We got a whole barn full there. Hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.